Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 4688T. This is a 1979 GMC Suburban. This one is two-tone, looks good. It's been lowered. It's got some nice wheels on it. Truck overall is in really good shape. It is a trailering package, so it's got these cool mirrors on it. Also does come with a factory 454. Again, everything's in really nice shape. The door panels, the seats, all this stuff looks really, really good. See, we've got some cool old maps in the glove box. Road trips of yesteryear. It's got a power rear sliding window, which is pretty cool as well. And there's plenty of room back there. There's almost 6 feet from the back of the seat to the back window there, so there's lots of room. Pretty 5 feet anyway. Got a roof rack up top, a little bit of wood grain. Keep it 70s. The brown and yellow definitely do pretty good justice to it. No power options, integrated trailer brake. That's her. It's got a radio. But man, definitely looks pretty cool. Again, this is stock number 4688T, 1979 GMC Suburban.